Okay, X's and Y's. I am just giving you a quick hint on number 6 here. There's going to be a number of questions that pop up over the weekend on this if you don't take a look at it right away. Dehydration synthesis for number 2. It says repeat number 2, but create a different structural isomer. So that means same formula, but different shape. Same formula, different shape for your answer. There we go. So it's going to have same formula, different shape. Now, for number 2, what you more than likely did was you took this puppy here and this puppy here, and you looked at this OH group and this OH group, and you joined them together, and you made a little oxygen bridge there. And that would be correct. But what if you did it differently? Like you structurally combine these in different places. So, what if we did this? What if we took this little puppy here and we went uh, I don't know, something like that. And we put this OH group and this OH group close together. You could make your oxygen bridge there and pull out your water there, and it would be attached at a different place. It's a different structure, but it's the same exact chemicals when you count it all at the very end. Or what if you did this? If you went a whoop and you went like that, and you took this OH group and this OH group, and you did that. Or maybe did those two OH groups. I don't know. I mean, who knows? Anyway, that should give you the idea as to how you can rearrange this in a different way or attach it at a different place than the place that you more than likely put it in the first place. And then you can put it in a different area. And then if you were really paying attention, you could have heard me say, and I oop, and thought of Visco girls and hydro flasks and things like that. Anyway, that's it. There's the hint for you. Have a good weekend.